file missing, corrupted, or progress not saving. Step 1, restart the game, close forever completely, restart your PC before relaunching, check if save data loads properly again. Step 2, check Cloud Sync, open Steam or your game launcher. Make sure Cloud Save is enabled, wait for sync to finish before launching. Step 3, verify game files. Open the launcher library section. Use verify integrity of game files. Repair damaged or missing files automatically. Step 4, locate save game folder. Open documents or app data folder. Find the forever save data location. Back up your save files before editing anything. Step 5, restore backup saves. Check if backup save files exist, copy backup files into save folder, relaunch the game and test progress. Step 6, disable antivirus temporarily. Some antivirus apps block save creation, add forever save folder to exclusions, restart the game after changes. Step 7, run game as administrator. Right-click forever exe file. Select run as administrator. Allow the game full file permissions. Step 8, free up storage space. Ensure enough disk space is available. Delete temporary Windows files. Keep extra storage for save syncing. Step 9, disable Cloud Sync conflicts. Turn off Cloud Sync temporarily. Use local save files only for testing. Re-enable sync after fixing saves. Step 10, reinstall forever. Uninstall the game completely. Delete corrupted config and cache files. Install a fresh updated version again.